Today, we're exploring the world of outdoor play with our non-slip splash pad for kids. The bottom of the splash pad is treated with a non-slip surface, which can have an excellent anti-slip effect in both dry and wet conditions. It ensures the safety of your kids and allows them to walk and play flexibly in the sprinkler pad. Safety is crucial, with thousands of children treated annually for playground-related injuries. The 13-foot splash pad allows your kids and all sizes of different breeds of dogs to enjoy the coolness and happiness on hot summer days in the garden, outdoor water parties, backyard, lawn, beach, or anywhere. 2 layers of water spray of the large splash pad ensure water spray all around the pad. With a water inlet at the bottom, the sprinklers on the spraying pad are subject to a more uniform force. This ensures that the water pressure remains consistent across all the sprinklers. Made of sturdy, durable PVC material without BPA and phthalates. Easy to fold and use, play with your family everywhere. Quick drainage and easy adjustment make maintenance a breeze. Elevate your outdoor play experience with us. Beat the heat with our 13-foot splash pad. Perfect for kids and pets. Endless summer fun awaits. Click the link to get yours now.